And as you can see, Apple is the number one, which is around 227.55 in the current value. And if we go to the overall performance, because I think that is really interesting, you see what would happen if you bought these types of stocks in the past or even more at the beginning. And we can see Apple, how much money they have. They have a market cap of 3.54 trillion. And I think that's very interesting. The second place is for Microsoft, and as well it will be at all the companies the same situation. You see they started in the stock market in 1986 with 10 cents, and just imagine you bought around $100 into that stock. You made a lot of profit in the moment, but we can't change the past. What we can change is the future. Let's continue to the third most valuable company in the world, and it's Nvidia. And with Nvidia I am with mixed feelings, because after my research it is probably right now overvalued, and they missed a couple of steps where I don't want to go too much into the detail, but at the end you see there was not a lot of time horizon where they skyrocketed. I think they are very overvalued, and I don't know if they're crashing or not, but this is one reason why the S&P 500 and a lot of other companies where are US based get high profits, because you have to imagine it was a bigger upwards trend than a lot of cryptos, and that's insane if you think about it. How has the stock market changed completely? Because how could it be that one stock gains in such a short time over so much value? And we can check how much their market value is. With Microsoft it's around 3.2 trillion. That numbers is so insane. And Nvidia has around $2.98 trillion inside of their market cap. The next company is Alphabet, and that means we have Google. They have a class A and a C, and it will be the same like the other three companies which I already showed you. The fifth place is Amazon, and Amazon is as well. They started 1997 with 9 cents, guys. If our parents would invest a little bit into that, we would have a lot of cash, and I think it would be even more cash than building or buying a house or a flat or something like that. The sixth place is Saudi Arabian Oil and Co. I didn't know them, if I'm honest, but after my research showed me they started in 2019, but they have a lot of market value. Just let me check. This is just one example website. You can use a lot of different one, but here you have Google with around 2 trillion, Amazon with as well around 2 trillion dollars in market cap, and here you have Saudi Arabian Oil with 1.75 trillion. So the seventh most valuable stock in the world in the moment is Meta, and they changed as well their name. As you probably know, they needed a new image, and they started in 2012.